Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about size built-in function. So for the demonstration of same, we have already created one program, so let's go through that. So I'm opening this program in edit mode, and first of all, what we are doing here, we are declaring few variables that we are going to utilize in our demo. So the first variable I have declared is name. It is of type character of length 9, and we have stored the value as Sharmit. Another variable is defined as ID number, which is of type decimal, and the length is 2, and we have stored the value as 50. Now the third variable we have declared for storing the output, which we will retrieve from the size built-in function. So that's why I have named it as a size output. It is a decimal type of data type of length 4. Okay, now we will see the syntax and the purpose of using size built-in function. So size built-in function is used for retrieving the number of bytes occupied by the variable. So it is quite simple, and the syntax is very simple also. Like here you can see, just you need to write percentage size, and inside the parenthesis you need to pass the variable argument. So for which variable you want to find out the size, you just need to pass that inside the parenthesis. So the structure or the syntax is quite simple for size built-in function. Now we will see how we are utilizing this in our code. So here on line number 20, from line number 22, we are using the function size for retrieving the size of the name variable. So let's see how. So I'm taking, you just need to write chg var, then take F4. Now inside this CL variable name, you need to pass that variable name, which will hold the output with retrieved by the size function. So size function will return some numeric value, some decimal value that we will store inside this size output variable. Now in new value, you need to pass the you need to use the size built-in function, and inside that I am passing the variable name. So name, I want to find out the size of the name variable, that's why I'm passing it inside the size function. Okay, so now what this line will do, like it will find out the size, the number of bytes occupied by this variable name, and it will return back, it will send that to size output variable. Okay, so now we have the output in size output variable. So just to print that to the user screen, what we are doing, we are using snd pgm msg command, and for snd pgm msg command, it is mandatory to use to convert the decimal value into character, because it takes only argument as a character type. So that's why we are converting it to character, and then we are printing it to the screen. Similarly, here on line number 30, we are using size built-in function, but this time we are using it for decimal variable. So you just need to write schg var, then take F4. So once you take F4, you will reach to this screen where you just need to write the variable name, which is size output, and in new value you can use this size built-in function where we will pass the output parameter as ID number. Okay, so once this line executed, it will return the size, actual size, or the number of bytes occupied by the ID number variable into size output, and then we are again converting it to character just to print or just to use with the snd pgm msg command. So this is quite simple way to use the size function. Now we will try to compile it and see the output. So I'm compiling it. So first output returned as 9, then if I do page down, it returned 2. So that is correct, because the size or of the name variable is 9 and the size of the ID number is 2. So this is how we can utilize this size built-in function for finding out the number of bytes occupied by the variable, and you can utilize it with integer or also with like all type of variable you can use inside this size built-in function. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.